Most customers today, they don't think twice about oil changes and basically making sure that that oil change is done at 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles, 6,000 miles, whatever. Back in the 70s, nobody really believed that. Like that was a whole thing that got translated to marketing communications. People really didn't have the knowledge. I mean, so if you talk to people, when I had my first car, I didn't know that. So until it was communicated and you saw the marketing and somebody said, well, yeah, you don't want to have your engine freeze up on you. You don't want to have that happen. So you need to bring it in, for whatever, X dollars. We'll change your oil and we'll make sure that everything is right. Don't mess around with your filter either. Fram was very famous for this. You can pay me now or you can pay me later. And they had the mechanic standing there over a broken down engine and, the sullen customer. And so, Fram oil filters are $3.99, whatever it was back in the day. They're more than that today, but $3.99 plus an oil change every 3,000 miles will keep you out of this. And then you had the picture of the guy standing there looking over the engine, and the guy's, how much is that going to cost? Well, it's going to be about $3,000 to put a new engine in. So the discussion that we're having with Fram is the same kind of conversation that we need to be able to communicate to the client, that regular maintenance actually improves the life cycle of the equipment. So that is a benefit, and that's real life if you're doing your maintenance.